All right, guys, I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be ordering some tires for my ZL1. As you can see, I got a little grandson over here just waking up. And then I got Nolan right here playing some kind of game. Say hi, Braden.
Hi.
Braden. This right here is Bryce. Of course, I got this lazy dog right here, Zeus. It's supposed to be my guard dog, but he's asleep. You all right? Like you worked all day. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get on Summit and order these tires for the ZL1. So, let me type in some stuff. Let's go ahead and get these tires ordered. You see Braden over there playing his game.
I'm trying to contact somebody.
You trying to do what?
Contact.
Contact?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What are you doing? Oh, shoot. So he just woke up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and order these tires. So I'm on Summit website. And then, so I decided to go with the tires that I put on the Grand National, which is the Toyo R888R tires. I mean, they hook so good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in Toyo, and then and I wanted to go with the 315 3520s, but if I go for the 315, I think I have to wait, so I'm gonna go with the 305s. So we'll put that in and do search. All right, so let's go scroll down. And those are the one I'm getting. We got 7 left. If I order it now, I should get it. I don't know what is it? 7 order soon, and they can ship today. So let's go ahead and add these 2 to the cart. Added 2 to the cart, and then that. All right. So that's what I got. Let me turn this TV down. Oh shit. Yes. All right. So we got this, and then we'll go ahead and we'll use PayPal.
Wait, I can actually play it. I can actually
Okay.
on this.
So you see what I'm dealing with right now. All right, guys, I just got through processing and paying for the order. So we'll see where it's going. Okay. So we confirmed. So we got 2 tires coming in. So that'll be about it. So so I just got to order in the 888R tires, and hopefully they'll be in here by Thursday. So when they get here, guys, we'll put them on the car. Hey, what up, gang? It's your boy Too Much Boost back with another video. Today I'm on my way to Race Proven Performance again to get my catch can, my Mighty Mouse catch can put on. So they say it shouldn't take that long, about a couple of hours or so. So I'll meet y'all guys there. Another thing, guys, I want to show y'all that the miles per gallon on this car is not that bad. And I was doing around 80. I think the one on the left, the 24, I think that's before when it was stock. And the 17 is, that sun's bright. It's now with the cam car. It's still getting fairly good gas mileage, I think. So, for those who's wondering what the gas mileage is with these cars, cam, it's not bad. All right, guys. I'm pulling into. They got some bad rides here, like a Corvette. That thing look nasty. But guys, check out the miles per gallon I get on this thing. It's not bad at all for 800 horsepower car. All right, let me go on in here and check out Jared. Hey, before I go in, check how nasty this car looks. Thing's nice. It's nice. Well, guys, they installing my catch can. I'm really not going to do a lot of filming because they're busy and I really don't want to get in their way. Hopefully they can get it done within a couple hours or so. So that's the reason why I'm not in the guy's way. But they're going to do a good job. All right, guys, I'm just now leaving Race Proven Performance. They installed the catch can. So as soon as I get back in town, I will show y'all what they put on. Like I said, I didn't want to get a lot of footage because I want them to work. I didn't want to keep getting in their way. So I'll holler at y'all when I get back in town. Well, I made it back. I'm just going to check out this. So right here is a new catch can, the Mighty Mouse. They did a real good job installing this. The can looks good. Did a real good job. Took them about a couple of hours, but they did a professional job. So far, guys, I'm really pleased with their work. So if y'all need any work done, y'all need to holler at my guy Jared. Hold on. Just hold up these shirts right quick. So, y'all need some work done, and y'all need to holler at these guys right here. Hey, they some awesome guys. Very friendly, professional. I'm really impressed. And I do highly recommend them. Yeah, I would really recommend those guys, man. They do professional work and everything. As you can see, this car's still sounding good. It never gets old.
So with that being said, guys, I'm tired. My throat's sore. So I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. So I'm sorry I didn't get enough footage. Like I said, I wanted them to do their work. I knew it was gonna take time, and I didn't want to be in their way, you know, standing in their way, trying to do some videos. But they did do a good job. So I'm out of here, guys. Until the next videos. Also, hope everybody had a happy New Year's. I was trying to post a video, but I had a lot of copyrighted music in it. I forgot to turn my radio down, so I can't edit it or nothing like that. It was some good footage. So now I just got to remind myself to turn the radio down or turn it off whenever I get in the car or start doing a vlog. So I'm out, guys.